Scientists began listening for signals coming from the space rock, named Oumuamua, using the world's largest directable radio telescope yesterday. A cigar-shaped comet named Oumuamua sailed past Earth last month, and is the first interstellar object seen in the solar system. It was first spotted by a telescope in Hawaii on 19 October, and was observed 34 separate times in the following week. Traveling at 44 kilometres per second, 27 miles per second, the comet is headed away from the Earth and Sun on its way out of the solar system. The comet is up to 1/4 mile, 400 meters, long and highly elongated, perhaps 10 times as long as it is wide. Initial readings, taken by scientists from Breakthrough Listen, have been made public for the first time. Experts used the Green Bank telescope in West Virginia to follow the object for 10 hours on Wednesday from around 8 p.m. GMT, 3 p.m. at That's a fascinating thing from every possible angle. To find technologically advanced life elsewhere could suggest that intelligence is a defining characteristic of the universe. Whether it's artificial, that's a very remote possibility. We spend most of our time surveying pedestrian objects, but occasionally something special will capture our attention. They all turn out to be natural, until one doesn't. With the technology we now have, it's a straightforward thing for us to look, but that's all we can do. Oumuamua is a Hawaiian term meaning a messenger from afar arriving first. Breakthrough Listen observed Oumuamua across 4 radio bands, spanning billions of individual channels across the 1 to 12 GHz range. The instrument accumulated 90 TB of raw data over a 2-hour observation of Oumuamua itself. So far, Data from the S-band receiver covering frequencies from 1.7 to 2.6 GHz has been processed, and analysis of the remaining 3 bands is ongoing. Most intriguingly, it is the wrong shape for an asteroid. They are typically round. Experts say this suggests it is made of something dense. Probably rock, but possibly metal. One astronomer claims that the space rock, named Oumuamua, could be an alien spacecraft with broken engines that is tumbling through our solar system. Dr. Jason Wright from Penn State University suggests that a broken alien spacecraft move in exactly the same way as the interstellar comet. The fact that it doesn't seem to have engines or show signs of propulsion may wreck the interplanetary spacecraft theory. If a radio signal does come back from the object, Professor Ravi Loeb, professor of astronomy at Harvard University, suggests that we will need to proceed with caution. Speaking to MailOnline, he said, "My recommendation, as in any dialogue, is that we first listen and do our best to understand what we are hearing. Once we figure this out, we can decide how to respond. Overall, I am an optimist. I believe that a very intelligent civilization will be peaceful, and we could save ourselves millions or billions of years by learning from it. But there is also the possibility that such a civilization will have hostile intentions and risk our existence, so we should deliberate carefully in any future contact with them."